Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to backup WhatsApp messages on an Android phone. To backup WhatsApp, you need to synchronize your Android device with Google Drive. To do that, go to your phone menu, find Google Drive app. Tap on the Drive icon. Tap on the menu button located at the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the down arrow. Tap on Manage Accounts. Tap on Google. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Tap on Sync Now. Google Drive is now synced. Now go to your phone menu. Find WhatsApp. Tap on the WhatsApp icon. Make sure that you are on the Chats tab. Tap on More Options, which is a three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. Tap on Chats. This will open your Chats preferences. Tap on Chats Backup. Tap Backup to Google Drive. This will prompt you to choose a backup frequency. Select when you want to take the backup. Now tap on Account and select the Google Drive account where you want to backup the data. You may add a different account if you want. Now tap on Backup Over and select on which data network you wish to take the backup. It's better to select Wi-Fi only option to avoid cellular data charges. Select the check mark next to Include Videos if you wish to backup WhatsApp videos as well. When you are happy with the charges, tap on Backup button to backup your WhatsApp data to your Google Drive account. This is how you can backup WhatsApp messages on Android device.